dust, whatever it could be, and it will create a small layer so that now you can see it very clearly. I'm just buffing out the layer, the silicone.
In the darkest night, I saw your eyes, a sense of threat that I can't forget. I wanna know who you are.
Hello guys, welcome back to the channel Dan to Rise. So today we are gonna clean our car. You must be clearly seeing that there is a lot of dust. It's been many days that I haven't cleaned this car because of continuous travel. So I just want to show you one cleaning video with the product which I am having right now with me. So I'm gonna clean it, water wash it with the car wash, and again then I'm gonna do the silicone glaze also, which is nothing but you will be doing the what can we say that like coating, which will protect your paint, and also it will give you the shine and all the things. Also it will provide you the smooth finish of the car, so that the small dust particles they will be slide down whenever there are small dust particles. So I think you have got the clear idea on how dirty the car is, and I'll be showing the same thing after I clean this car. Probably you like this video, and this is gonna be like a product review also. So if you want to know more about the product, you can contact me, or you can message me on Instagram. Contact in the sense, you can mail me or you can message me in the Instagram. So I'll be showing you how the car looks after this. So here it is, guys. I have done the washing with the liquid, that is nothing but it will generate a little foam, and I've done the foam wash with the cloth and gentle water. That's it. So now you can see the car is almost clean and it is shining bright. There is one more thing that is pending, that which is polishing this car now. Of course, I don't have any buffing tools like that. I'll be doing it with my hand itself, with the cloth and with my hand, which will give much more greater results. Obviously, buffing materials will make your work easy actually, and doing the same thing with your hand and a cloth is also not so different. So you can see the car is pretty much clean with all the dirt that is accumulated. So now I'll just put this car into a shade, because while doing this silicone coating, we should not keep it in direct sunlight. So that's how I'll just keep it in a shade, and I'll put the silicone and I'll show it to you after applying it, and then again I have to buff it. So after buffing also I'll show it to you how it will be. Here you go. So here it is, guys. I have applied the silicone glaze with the cloth, so that is the reason why you cannot see much shine on this car now, because there is a coating on this. And once it is dry for at minimum half an hour, then I'm gonna come back and do the buffing with the dry cloth. So this applying of this silicone glaze is done with the damp cloth, as I shown you before, and again buffing the silicone glaze will be done with the dry cloth, complete dry cloth, in a circular motion. I just forgot to tell you that you have to apply it in a circular motion for the better results. So completely it is applied, so you can see there is a little amount of silicone glaze on this silver roof rails. So you have to apply this only on metallic and plastic surfaces, not on glass, any windows or any mirrors or any of the glass areas. I have applied it on the piano black finish here also. So later I will show you how good the silicone glaze will actually work, and it will eventually give you a lot of shine. And yeah, so now here you can see I have dried it up for almost 20 to 30 minutes. Now I'll try to buff it. I have taken the complete dry cloth, so now I am trying to buff this in circular motion. And I'm applying a very gentle pressure on this, so it will actually come out like layers. It will remove the previous dust, whatever it could be, and it will create a small layer, so that now you can see it very clearly. I'm just buffing out the layer, the silicone layer. Basically it is the excessive layer, and it will provide you fine material to bring out the shine and very minute dust particles or the dust that is accumulated on the paint. So that's how it will bring more shine to your car, and also it will create a protective layer, so that for at least 30 days you can go for a normal wash, or you can just wipe it out your car with the cloth to remove the dust. So that's how it will be very helpful. So I'll come back to you after cleaning this complete buffing the complete silicone glaze that has been applied. So now here it is, guys. The car is completely buffed. Now I guess you can really see the what to say. Now you can really see the color being shined very much. So all these piano black finished are also shined very much, and see the metal, the color is pretty much evident. The Arctic pearl white, you can see how good it is looking actually. So that's how I have used two products. One is car wash, and the other one is silicone glaze. This is not Teflon, this is silicone. I might give you some differences also in the later video or in this video itself, by putting some text of what is the difference between silicone and Teflon. And to the best of my knowledge, I heard that silicons are better than Teflon coats, because and that being said, thank you guys. Hope you have the clear understanding on how the cleaning is made, and for any further details you can please comment or get to me on Instagram. Thank you. Bye bye.